Alright, since it's a demo video, I'm not wearing any gloves. But obviously if you're going to be doing a tattoo, you're going to want to be sterile and gloved. So first we're going to look for the grip. You're going to normally find the grip in your tattoo kit or in the package with an upper tube already inside. So it's going to just slide out like this. And you're going to want to look at your your grip, and see that it has two holes like so. We're going to slide the upper tube in slightly, and then take your adjustment tool and tighten it so that the upper tube does not slide out. It's nice and tight, it doesn't move at all. And then you're also going to find a tip. It can be stainless steel or disposable, and we can slide that in the same way and also tighten the bottom screw like so that you have a fully set up barrel. So now that my barrel is set up, I have a 7-round tip inserted into my grip. So I am going to match it up with my 7-round shader right here. Your needles on the back of the blister pack should have a bunch of numbers in front of some letters. So they should either say RS, RL, M1, or M2. RS is round shader, RL is round liner, M1 is weaved magnum, M2 is stacked magnum. Over here I have 7RS, which is 7 round shader. I'm going to take it out of the blister pack real careful, and I'm going to slide it through my barrel real gently and real slowly so that nothing catches. You don't want to forcibly push your needle through your barrel because it'll bend your needle prongs. So gentle is always better. Alright, so now that it is all the way through, nothing caught, nothing catches, we're going to slide your barrel with the needle in it into the tattoo machine where the vice grip has a hole. So you're going to slide it in, and then you're going to have your needle loop slide over the nipple, which I have in yellow over here to make it easy to see. And once it's nice and snug, you're going to adjust your barrel so that your needle just comes out slightly. Alright? And once you have it set up in a fashion that is satisfactory to you, then you're going to tighten your vice grip so that your barrel does not move, does not come out of the machine. So now that my tattoo barrel is in my tattoo machine, it's pretty much set up. I'm going to wrap a rubber band around the needle just to make sure that the needle doesn't shake too much, and like so. And then I'm going to next teach you how to clip your clip cord into your tattoo machine. So let's take our clip cord. I have a red one over here, and you're going to plug it into the left hand part of your power supply. Next, you're going to look at the back of your tattoo machine. It should have two parts on the machine that is gold in color. One is the top here, called the contact needle, and back here you have another gold piece, and that's called the rear binding post. So in the rear binding post, you're going to find a small hole, alright? And then directly above it, on the frame of your machine, you're going to find another hole. So that's where your 2 clips for your clipcord go into. There should be 2 pins, and they should go into the 2 holes, like so. Like this. Alright. So, now a bunch of you are going to say, I clipped in my clipcord, I plugged in my foot pedal, and it still doesn't run. So, this is the last part of how to set up your tattoo machine. I'm plugging my foot pedal into my left hand port here, and I'm pushing on my foot pedal, and it's obviously not running, but the red indicator light is lighting up. So what's going on? Now we have to look at the gold contact needle at the top of your machine. Make sure that your gold contact needle is touching slightly to this front springboard, which is this here. Alright, this controls how hard your tattoo machine hits, right here. So, now that it's touching, I got it running. So just make sure that your contact needle is not too far away from the springboard or too tight against the springboard to have your machine get going. Alright, and that's the end of our little tutorial.